Five-time Grand Slam champion and lawn tennis ace player Maria Sharapova has seen herself in the midst of a social media storm when she asked and said in an interview she didn't know who really Sachin Tendulkar is, the god of cricket. A lot of Sachin Tendulkar fans, of course, were outraged, and there was soon a social media trending, hashtag on Twitter and on Facebook about who really is Maria Sharapova. Many Sachin Tendulkar fans were outraged, and a lot of sarcastic comments and tongue-in-cheek remarks were being passed around on social media forums about her.
Maria Sharapova is much bigger name in Russia in tennis circuit, and tennis is being played by probably more than 200 countries. Cricket is being played by 9 countries. Out of those, 4 cricket boards have been destroyed by our own policies, now being limited to only 4 or 4.5 countries.
Any atheist goes to a theist person who believes in God and says, I don't know your God, and whoever it may be, obviously that guy will feel bad. So the people who love Sachin blindly, if somebody comes to them and say, I don't know your God, in the subcontinent, in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, cricket is almost like a religion, and Sachin is a god.
I don't understand one thing, that why do we want our God to be imposed on other people? He is a cricketing genius. There is nobody can take out those 100 centuries, all those records. But the point is, he belonged to those 8 or 9 nations.
Right.
Even if you like Sachin or you love Sachin, it's not a compulsion that somebody sitting in Brazil would know him.
Sachin Tendulkar is obviously a great sports personality in India, but at the same time, cricket is not a big sport around the globe.
See, in India, it's said that if cricket is a religion, then Sachin is God. And it's no one is blaming Maria Sharapova for that much. It's just a social media. People are having fun. It's not just getting so serious about it. Sachin is a god here. He has given his more than 20 years in cricket. We have seen his contribution in the last decade, winning World Cup for India.
There is so much of responsibility on his shoulders,
right,
to give it back to the game. And right now, cricket is in crisis. Cricket probably needs Sachin Tendulkar more than ever.
Right. We have Siddharth who wants to respond. Siddharth?
Okay, yeah, brother, no. So, Mr. Luthra just said, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar should be a great icon to the cricketing nation. I mean, he should be, but at the same time, he should promote other sports,
Exactly.
like football in the case, and hockey.
Sport, man.
Hockey.
Sportsman, she should know about other sports also. That is not acceptable by the people, and especially by the cricket fans and sport lovers. They cannot accept that. So that had to happen, and Maria Sharapova should be the Russian government and all these people were selling their sports personalities outside for playing. They should educate them on the basic things regarding all these sports personalities all over the world.
Sachin Tendulkar is a regular visitor in the Wimbledon. He follows only 2 sports beside cricket. One is tennis and other is Formula 1.
I follow. Oh, no. Let me
Let him respond. Let him finish.
I follow 2 sports, football, tennis. I want to be at Wimbledon every year. I want to be watching football every time. I don't have money to go there. So if I have money, I'll spend my holidays in London and in Brazil. If I don't have, if I am like Sachin Tendulkar, I'll be going there. It doesn't make any difference.
A hardened cricket follower sitting somewhere in Chamba or some village of Punjab has nothing to do with the spread of cricket.
Exactly.
Okay, see, they are least bothered. For them, Sachin is a god. And if someone comes and pretends she has ignored Sachin, the people there may only sympathize with Shah. And that would